Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a staging website on Bluehost to safely test changes. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to Websites, and next to the WordPress website that you want to create a staging site for, click on Manage. Then from this overview tab, scroll down to Staging and click on it. A new page open up, and now we are inside the WordPress dashboard. Now scroll down to Staging. My bad. Scroll down to Staging, and next to Staging Site, as you see, I don't have any staging site yet. Click on Create Staging Site button. Creating a staging site, this should take about a minute. Staging website created successfully. Now let's switch to the staging site first, then see how this works. Switching to staging, this will navigate you to the staging environment. Click on Proceed. They are now working on switching to the staging environment. This should take about a minute. Loading, and now I am successfully inside the staging environment. As you see, this is the date is created, this staging site. By the way, staging sites are useful in order to test risky stuff like updating plugins, adding or deleting plugins, updating your WordPress website, or editing a theme file. I highly recommend you to go to apply them first on the staging site. Then if everything went well, you can simply deploy this editing automatically or directly on the current editing or the true website. Now let's make a little difference to see if it will be copied or added to my original site when I deploy this change. Now let's add a new post, for example. Let's call it, for example, this article is added on the staging site. Let's publish it. Publish and launch site. Publish without launch. Let's launch my site, by the way. Let's see. As you see, this is my staging site. Other than this red staging environment button, you can still differentiate between your original site and the staging, the original and the staging site by this little staging word after your website domain. Now, before seeing, let's check my original website. As you see, I only have this first or the single hello world article. Let's open this in a new tab, return to the WordPress dashboard to deploy this change to my original site. Now let's say you've tested your risky stuff and you want to deploy them instead of redoing them manually. It's simple. Just select between deploying all changes, deploying files only, or deploy database only. In my case, I will go with deploy all changes and click on this deploy site button. Confirm deployment. This will deploy staging to production and override current production site. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes, click on deploy. They are now working on deploying from staging to production, and files are deployed successfully. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Database deployed also successfully. Now let's refresh this page or my original site, and I should see the added article here. Let's refresh my website, and just like that, my this article was written or added in the staging site. Now it is in the official website. Now to switch back to the original site to continue your work, it's simple. Just select it from here, select not current, select the production site instead of the staging site, like that. This will navigate you to the production environment. Click on proceed, and you are now switching to the production, to the original website. As you see, no more staging environment, red button here. And this is how to create a WordPress staging site on Bluehost to safely test changes. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.